Through modernizing Microsoft workloads on AWS, customers can unlock innovation by decomposing monolithic applications to microservices, bringing freedom to adapt and experiment quickly. Customers can reduce Microsoft licensing costs by moving to open source, removing the need to pay for expensive Windows or SQL licenses. For example, moving from SQL to Amazon Aurora provides the same functionality at a tenth of the cost.
Plus the architecture can change as well. It can become more efficient, easier to manage. Another example is a lot of organizations will have licenses that are becoming out of date. And there's a couple of options there. They either have to pay the upgrade fees to Microsoft to upgrade them, or modernize away from Microsoft OSs to go to a more native or maybe containerization or even serverless architecture. Because by doing that, you're building your architecture in a more scalable function that can kind of ramp up and ramp down depending on your business. So again, you're only paying for what you're using, moving away from having old school, big server EC2 infrastructure, server infrastructure, and moving more to application functions within AWS.